Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. Here in General Management, okay, go to Reset. And Reset, okay, you can see the Reset Network Settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay, Reset Network Settings. This will reset all network settings including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. And okay guys, okay, you can see also the SIM 1. You can select SIM 1 or SIM 2. So I decided to select the SIM 1. And okay guys, to reset network settings, you'll have to do is tap the reset settings button. And okay, all network settings will be reset. This action can't be undone. And okay, you'll have to do is tap the reset button. And okay guys, network setting reset. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.